For me, it's all about the view out the windscreen. The world looks way different out the window of a chopped hot rod. G'day, I'm Garry from Shepparton and the Goulburn Valley. Moov, the Museum of Vehicle Evolution, is, in my opinion, and I'm not biased, one of the best museums I've seen in Australia. I've seen a few. You've got bicycles, motorcycles, cars, trucks, buses, you name it. I reckon if they could get an aeroplane, they'd hang it in the roof too. When I'm at Moov, usually see the boys, Chris and Dino in Milestone, and have a coffee, have a bit of a chat, have a laugh. It's a good catch-up point for a lot of us old blokes. And Frank and June at the antique shop, lovely people, and they've always got something in there that'll catch my eye. Come see for yourself.